All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what the time is right now. How you doing? Hope you guys are enjoying the Sunday afternoon. Come on, everybody. Oh, shit. Once again, it's another round of Nigerian Comedy reaction video episode 4 coming from Oshe React YouTube channel. Come on, everybody. Oh, shit. What up? Hope you guys are ready to enjoy yourself this Sunday afternoon. Why don't you get your chilled bottle of milk and enjoy this Nigerian Comedy reaction videos episode 4. Come on, everybody. Oh, shit. Let's go there. Sabinos, baddest guy. What happened again?
What happened? Why would you run? Come here, they hide. I see person why they owe 1,000. They owe person 1,000. Don't nearly see me. Give them money now. Are you mad? How will you win 10,000 now? Forgive me, please.
You don't win bet. Give them.
Because of small money, what we for?
Just 1K when you owe person now you carry. Don't worry.
You don't take back 1,000 here now. The plans what I get for this money, you don't spoil. So you prefer to do run, they hide, they enter where you don't know. Just to give person 1,000.
Yes.
This kind of life no good. I don't know when you greedy like this. So. Where's the money? Go the money.
I'm purpose.
Hey, Jesus.
Wow.
No, we need the hide one now. What's in our pocket? Come on, what's in our pocket? Who's not them now? I'm shoot this man.
See what greediness can lead people to. Greediness. Sabinus.
I'm with my phone. Give me.
Mama Ibuka don't tell you, say make you know that I love the children they watch film in your house.
This girl is so funny. I like her so much.
Do you have food? I want to buy rice. Rice there. I don't call you back, but send them my shop. Okay, give me
Real Judy.
And spaghetti. How much? 300, rice 500.
Okay. What did she just do? Jesus Christ.
Hold on. It's not that hand you just brought from your armpit into this school. I don't understand. Like, put that for your nose. What you have good hygiene? Don't tell me rubbish. Nobody you start this canteen work from you. Say that boy now he eat it.
This girl.
You said where?
You say now. My food is the sweetest in this community because if you are seeing my market, because I do my put.
This one a better customer. This one a Agbero.
What does eat you? Those people eat you when they go. You know how they cook their food? Even bakeries. You know say they use their sweat.
Real Judy.
Because you are saying my own. That's why you are following me to look anyhow.
Hi.
I'm not your man.
This girl can talk.
You start this canteen work for me. What do you want to buy? So you're not going to wash your hands? I'm not washing my hands. This girl, what is your own business? This girl. Are you a wish? Are you a demon?
My friend, wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Eat your food. You two come on, idiot. Nonsense. I shall walk. See how she be leg. Come on, get out of this.
You know, it's so funny the way she pronounces her show. Jesus, this is disgusting.
This girl is a very stupid girl.
And please, Naija people, what kind of customer is that now? It can't take armpit. They won't have
cut off my clitoris just to be able to concentrate on my music career.
You're going to do it.
Yeah, cut off my clitoris.
See, I don't get Bimbo. What has your clitoris got?
Bimbo, I don't know.
Like basically, I have issues with my. It's very, very sensitive. So, like, it keeps taking my concentration off music.
You keep quiet.
You know the way to the worry. Yeah, see my guy. That's my boy, Kirikou. Kirikou is really doing well as one of the key actors, comedians in Nigeria.
You hear me? Yes, sir. Any more to one pass here, even if you paper collect, you must go station. You hear me? Yes, sir. I'll try him again.
Let the wonder boy. I'll try him again.
Tell him back. Pack this motor.
Pack him. Another client don't come.
Now you are talking about me. Small officer.
Small officer. You will know today.
Senior officer, not vest.
Senior officer, they come for them.
Yes, Kirikou is the senior officer.
Officer. How again now? I work.
Where are paper?
I don't know my pants. Paper.
Show your paper. Yes.
That is not a problem.
If the Nigerian police work this way, that means
my tire. What concerns tire and this one now?
there will be no high rate of corruption these days.
Okay, tire not good. About one offense.
This is the meaning of all this. And when tire won't start to run the gauge.
Okay, leave her. Check the brake light. You know.
Officer, what you concern brake light inside this man? Come on now, come off it.
Waiting cause I brake light with paper now.
I don't match up.
Oh, by Russia then smart to make you just come up now.
Enough food. What do you mean by it's not food? That one a full light.
Number 2 offense.
2 offense.
Okay, take your paper.
Collect your paper.
Police station. Even your paper says no complete.
Paper not complete.
No complete. Come down for this moment.
You know for this one, self. They need to talk to you.
Calm down. What up? Where are you watching from? Please do us a favor by subscribing to Oshe React YouTube channel for more videos like this. Come on, everybody. Oshe.
You take me back for the call it back for you.
Offense number 2.
So I got to test that.
Officer, go ahead. Test this now.
Hey, cool.
People just want to delay somebody.
Give me my ball.
You don't. Kiriko, can you try?
Ride that motor now. How you want to ride that motor?
Where are you going
I'm
to?
here for everything is possible.
So everything is possible. Let's watch.
Now you only me for you.
They're going to leave you for there. Stay there. Don't worry. Kiriko, don't move.
Wait till this your guy they do anything.
Oh boy, you said you forgive and this more good job now.
You don't follow me, I go shoot you.
This is a one shoot person. Jesus Christ. Child. Yes, this is Emanuela. See, the common worry they won't even get job safe. They go to do her, they find bone straight where she want. You see Emanuela. You see what she carry? Emanuela, it's too much.
Hi ladies, we want you to choose your choice. As you can see, I have big tummy. I am not that
Kitabella.
I have
we agree.
in my account and my partner here. You see, I'm so cute.
Yes. Yes. With all your 6-pack. See, the today Nigerians girl, they will not accept you, I beg. They will accept Kitabella.
Choose wisely.
Even as you know, Sabi work for bed, they go still accept her. Come on, body.
Yes.
Ushi.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, ain't no goodbye. I'm gonna need me a tip.
This guy don't know where you don't enter today. Just behave yourself.
Thank you.
Behave yourself.
Hold on. It's a little light. I'm gonna need me a real tip. This is coins. What am I doing with coins? Feed my meter?
I know say she don't want to holler. She go still add something.
Yeah, go in the other pocket. Yeah.
Naija to the world. We are great people. Come on, everybody. Ushi.
Just, you ain't gotta do all that or something.
Bye-bye.
You don't do nasty.
This
Hey.
is $1. I have a family to feed. What am I gonna do with this?
My people, wahala now they come. So this guy never could.
Do not take tips for tips. If
Shey my eye dey pain me abi.
tip me nice.
Young man,
Wahala.
I got $20 from you. I gave you $5. This is 5,000 naira. Even Nigeria, this 5,000 cannot ask me for this kind of tip. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Excuse me.
I said you should go. No, please come inside my boat.
Okay. Mama, don't call her. Oh yeah.
I said,
Don't worry, come inside. Jesus.
young man.
Oh boy, you don't tell one like. Do you
Rude
know?
and I'll beat his
Okay now.
ass.
What's your name?
They call me Bash.
Bash.
Very soon I don't see 1 hour again. I bet you.
No.
You don't know. He's a great Nigerian boxer.
Okay. Leon. Oh boy, I don't give this guy a cup of tea. Hola like that. That serves you right. Come on, everybody. Ushi. Mr. Macaroni.
Yes. I say I don't do it again. I know dating.
I can guess what wants to happen here.
I am breaking up with you.
You know what again?
For me.
You know what again? Okay.
I see too.
She don't go. Oh, mercy waste. Oh, mercy waste.
Sorry, mom.
Fuck up guy. Fuck up guy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We shall react for more videos like this. Come on, everybody.
What is this? So smiling here like this now? Like expired soccer away. What is
This
this?
is the expired soccer. Where is the way do I put Ogiri and
Come on, I will give you now better native of Bologna. They won't arrange
You agree that you want to be
you.
cleaning the house. What are you now doing in the kitchen now?
I know. Look, I'm tired of buying food, so I wanted homemade food for my baby. Please.
What is a wedding?
What's that badge?
It's a
Don't worry.
delicacy. It's very sweet.
What kind of a rubbish you about delicacies this one now? That is smelling like expired soccer away. What the kind of a rubbish?
From the soccer away, this kind of soup, whatever package. Are you not an Igbo man? Ogiri and bitter leaf soup is very sweet.
I don't
Be
know
very careful now.
kitchen, no. Next thing you having small like this, this is your small brain.
Who have small brain? And what exactly do you mean by that? It's humor.
What do I mean by that?
Now the rating that they give you so, now the rating that they give you so,
Pregnancy that you are not able to prove. Pregnancy that you cannot even prove. You say that you are pregnant. Now you have moved into my house. From cleaning of your house, you now give yourself permission to cook in
now woman, now their pastor, and I say you
tactics. I know all these tactics.
Man, I you that below. Don't worry.
Every woman's spec. Spec you have seen it now with the houses and education.
Come on,
now you want to now come and
say an education. In school now you talk like this.
What is she? What is she?
Voila.
I don't even know that you are
Give my one.
You are actually listening. You think me like this, a complete.
Madam, give my one because like say the box.
You know all these things you are listening. You think I'll look it down? How do you know that you're not one boy that they told to come and look after all these things? How do you even know you're not Yahoo?
No, I'm one boy.
I
don't want to blame you now.
You don't blame her.
I don't want to blame
you.
You blame? Let me warn you.
You won't blame.
Stop calling this a child in your womb.
Ask him.
Until you have done DNA.
If you're not knock her, your John Thomas not do. She for not do this condition where she doing now. At least she wouldn't have been in your house by now.
Do you know that you look like what they came back to do in menstruation period?
You guys are a naughty guy. Find your bone now, say something like that.
The way that you are talking, your talk is like spray, like a plate. Okay, all the money.
You try share for the Igbo accent.
I don't blame you.
Really try.
I don't blame you.
For my body, Uche, still unsubscribe or devil without you now, we let it grow. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Uche React YouTube channel. Come on, body, Uche.
No problem now.
Baby, just be here. Now you know look well. Don't swear. Now you know look well. You know you won't get the left. That's why you're in this mess.
Isha, what do you want to be?
Basically, after my secondary school, I want to go to the university, get a good way.
This one I know what like they talk.
Prestigious company and become
for this government. You happy? We got our own condemn.
You want to finish?
Why you want to give a bad mouth?
Go into the
yes.
University. Okay, you study for 4 years.
Yes.
4 years maximum.
4 years maximum. You come outside. What do you now do? You
okay.
Come outside.
Work in a very good company.
Okay, you work in a very good company in Nigeria.
Yes.
Okay.
And
get married. Okay, that is you become a millionaire.
Yeah.
Be comfortable
before age 25.
Yeah.
Somebody say
Jota, I love you. These guys are really making Naija proud. Almost loading. Okay. Problem. See this boy, smart boy. Come on. Oh, that's slap it, Tasha. Oh, that guy face is not red. About 4 slaps now. Rono. Now they never leave you. Yeah, this is Jesus. What's his name? Shanks Comics. I like this guy.
I hope you're okay. He's not okay. What the fuck is your dad doing in my house? Should we say your dad is dead?
Yes.
I'm gonna use your brain.
You didn't want? She goes the smoky boat.
No.
See, he's dead to me. He just got back from jail and decided to come home.
He decided to come home. Is this home? The way is my house.
You didn't want?
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on. Look at my face. My lord. Yes, daddy.
You don't know, yeah?
I'm sorry, sir. How many times you don't sleep with my daughter? Your daughter? Sex?
How many times? Oh boy, not now you use your brain. Jesus! Don't fuck up. Hey, this guy don't F up.
I'm sorry, sir.
What's wrong with him?
Maybe 552, sir. It's 5 times. Yeah.
Mama, it's too late to. You don't enter problem today.
It is a virgin. Don't be virgin. Now wait. These are tears of joy.
Tears of joy.
One knock is 20,000. 20,000 times.
Oh my best, you don't enter your head, the Shanks.
You know how much you are owing me?
Shanks comedy like they say you don't carry for head too.
Charging me for sex. Who is your child?
You dey get mad. When we see pistol in somebody's hand and still having bad mouth.
My princess is here. I knew you would come. I'm out of jail, baby.
Daddy, you still not buried mommy. Let her rest.
Spirit.
What the it is? Always carry my baby with me.
Omo, I don't believe in this kind of thing. There's nothing like spirit, nothing like ghosts.
I'm not saying
Ghosts do not exist.
My love, do you know how many times this young man has slept with your daughter? 552 times. Not lie.
Omo. Hey.
Not lie, mama, not lie.
It's not a lie. It's not a lie.
Babe, who kissed?
My mom is a sex.
Omo, spirit go make love shit.
She wants some, mama, I never done those.
You say hey, see your mother-in-law who don't die still they exist.
Only good.
They will knock you. Ghost knife will knock you like this. Omo, sorry you.
Good afternoon, ma. Neighbor, ma, please, can you
This is a new act, a new comedian that is trying. I think I like his works. One of the most challenging things he does is doubling. He doubles for
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
his casting.
A few moments later.
Sorry, man. Neighbor, please, can you move just onions? Oh, you need onions again. Onions.
All this kind neighbor we go beg you onions, beg you tomato, beg you rice. Omo, beware for. Omo.
Look at the onions. No wahala. We are neighbors now.
My brother, beware of such neighbors. 15 minutes later.
Neighbor, don't bother yourself.
Your neighbor don't carry stove, carry everything. Come and take it.
Now once you just call, you just pack it.
Come take all of them. As you sabi beg salt, beg everything.
Now you want to finish my food stuff. Look at the pepper.
Omo, if you be that kind neighbor, come on body for that kind of thing. It don't make sense at all. Especially in this terrible season.
The cash, 100,000 naira cash is what I will give you now.
These two guys, Mackenzie and Mr. Macaroni. What are they doing?
Hey, excuse me, what are you doing there? This boy, I hope you won't give me any problem. All right.
What is he doing?
And go and get your clothes. Excuse me, why are you doing that? I said you should.
Mackenzie will never cease to amaze people.
Can you turn around and answer me, young man?
What did they do, sir?
Will you turn around?
You don't carry person food. Mackenzie. Come on up for you. Oh shit. Mackenzie. Yes.
Dancing like that. Dancing.
See the chaser.
You know what I was
See the bouncer. Bring Jota. Very funny, guys. All right, thank you very much. I hope you subscribed to my YouTube channel, Oshe React. Get ready for episode 5 next week. Come on, everybody. Oshe, thanks for watching.